everyone! Welcome back to Dream Car Views, the home of luxury on wheels. Today we're exploring one of the most breathtaking creations ever made, the 2026 GMC SkyPalace, the ultimate double-decker motorhome that defines true luxury, power, and beauty. So please, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because you don't want to miss what's inside this royal masterpiece. Just look at the front of this beauty. It's bold, confident, and absolutely stunning. The massive GMC grille, shining chrome finish, and sharp LED headlights make it look like a king of the highways. The curved aerodynamic shape gives it a futuristic face, while the glossy metallic red color glows beautifully under the sunlight. The front of the SkyPalace is not just a design, it's a statement of power, pride, and perfection. Now as we move toward the backside, the design continues to impress. The rear view looks stylish and elegant with its sleek LED taillights, polished chrome trims, and that perfectly sculpted shape. There's a rear camera, hidden storage spaces, and a smooth finish that gives the backside a royal identity. From every angle, the SkyPalace looks like a luxury palace on wheels. Step inside, and the living room welcomes you like a five-star hotel. Soft leather recliners, a massive smart TV, and big panoramic windows make the whole space bright and relaxing. The golden decor accents, warm ambient lights, and glossy flooring create a cozy yet luxurious feel. This isn't just a motorhome interior, it's a moving luxury lounge built for comfort, peace, and elegance. The kitchen area is compact but designed with perfection. It's built smartly along a narrow corridor, featuring a stylish refrigerator, a microwave induction stove, and wooden cabinets with marble countertops. LED strip lights add a warm glow, and every item has its perfect place. It's small but full of luxury, a space where you can cook your favorite meals while traveling across the world. The bedroom of the GMC SkyPalace is where comfort meets style. A large soft bed with golden cushions, LED lighting around the edges, and a big panoramic window make it the perfect place to relax. There's a mounted smart TV, hidden storage, and gentle lighting that gives the whole room a peaceful, romantic vibe. It truly feels like your own private palace in motion. Even the washroom inside the SkyPalace is designed with luxury in mind. Glossy marble walls, a glass shower area, a modern vanity with chrome fittings, and soft golden lighting make it look like a hotel bathroom. It's small but perfectly detailed, clean, elegant, and absolutely premium. Every feature has been designed for comfort, privacy, and class. So that, my friends, was the 2026 GMC SkyPalace, a true double-decker, luxury motorhome that takes modern travel to a whole new level. From its royal design to its breathtaking interiors, this motorhome proves that GMC knows how to combine power, beauty, and innovation. If you enjoyed this tour, please like the video, subscribe to Dream Car Views, and share it with your friends. Because many people watch but don't subscribe. Let's grow our family together and keep exploring the world's most amazing luxury motorhomes.